Hi, my name is Muhammad Dilshad and today I am show you how to make money by ads. But first please subscribe my channel and hit bell button so you received all our videos that I uploads. Open our browser and search Unity Ads Job. The link of the website in the description. Click on Register button. Add our name, email, city, phone number, gender, age or etc. and click on CAPTCHA and fill and click on Register button. And then click on Login button and add our email address or password. And click on Login button. And after some seconds you go on Dashboard. He gives 10 Premier ads every 30 minutes and every Premier ads has 5 Pakistani rupee. And then click on Instant Claim. If you not have time to see ads then click on Instant Claim Now button. He gives you 45 Pakistani rupee instead of 50 because he taken 5 Pakistani rupee fee. You withdraw income when you have 200 Pakistani rupee. You withdraw in your ISA, Paysa or JazzCash or bank.